Not baseball. Softball. I feel like playing golf. What?
I like shalgam sabji a lot. You should try it.
What? The camera is straight at me, and you're barely recording anything. You're just recording when I'm sick. It's like kind of stupid, even when I move. So it's kind of stupid. Ta-ta-bum!
Hi.
Mommy!
Hi, say hello.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
I'm just making a video with the high definition new camcorder. Can you say hello and tell me what you're doing on that board?
I am doing the stuff I'm supposed to do.
Okay. Can you just please stand up and say hello in the camera?
Ha!
Not like that, properly, I mean.
Hi!
How are you feeling today, mister?
Kind of good.
Kind of good.
Can you
Okay. Hi, Isha. What is that, Aryan? What is in your hand? What are you trying to show me? Say hello, Isha.
Hello. Aryan was about to steal my trophy, but luckily I snatched it away.
What is this trophy for?
Soccer.
Did you play soccer? Are you a good soccer player?
Yeah, sort of.
You want to play soccer in the spring?
No.
You want to play baseball?
Yes.
Okay.